So I'm here with Callum at RetroElectric, and he's got some absolutely amazing Porsche 911 Turbo.
Yes.
So could you talk me through the conversion process and also what it's got?
So it's obviously a Porsche 911. Motor in the back, still a direct drive motor, straight onto the drive shafts, so it's not going through the gearbox. Gets about 200 miles of range, split battery pack between the front and the rear, keeps the weight distribution the same, so it's still 60-40, drives as a Porsche as always has. Yeah, the motor's about 220 horsepower. It's actually 50 kilograms lighter now than it was when it was internal combustion, so you regain a bit more performance from that. It's still a Porsche from the outside, but you open the bonnet, open the deck lid, and you find something completely different.
Basically, I walked past this and I thought this was absolutely amazing because, yeah, it looked pretty much completely stock. You've even kept where the fuel filler is, and the only difference is obviously it's got a Type 2 connector. But the other thing as well is just, yeah, as I say, it's completely stock, but it's still got that Porsche magic.
Yes.
It's still got that weight distribution, and it's 50 kilograms lighter, which is excellent.
No, we wanted to keep the styling as classic as possible. We didn't want to shout about the fact that it's an EV from the outside, even down to the gear shifter. That's now your direction. So you push it forward to go forwards, pull it back to go backwards. So yeah, it keeps all the original styling.
I guess in a way, the first thing I want to ask is, I mean, I don't have a Porsche 911 to convert, unfortunately, but let's say that someone did have it. So where could they find you? And also, what kind of relative pricing are we kind of looking at for maybe the conversion?
So we're on Instagram, we're on Facebook, we're on TikTok, we're on all the social media platforms, retroelectric.co.uk. Conversion like this, if you brought us the car, start from about 70k. That gets you, 200 miles of range, 220 horsepower motor, CCS fast charging, heater, and then anything else that you want to add to it.
Excellent. And I think we had a bit of a discussion beforehand as well. You have also converted other vehicles as well, apart from this 911. So,
well, from three-wheelers like BMW Isetta, we've done a tuk-tuk, up to Toyota FJ40, Land Cruisers, Defenders, anything. We've done over 30 Beetles now. Yeah, we pride ourselves on the fact that we can convert anything without ruining the car. So nothing's cut, nothing's drilled, everything bolts into the original mounting points. And if it ever wants to be, it can be taken out, internal combustion engine can be put back in. So we're not ruining the car. It's still very much a classic Porsche. We've just modified it a bit.
Excellent. Yeah. So, as you mentioned, you've got Instagram as well, you've got a website as well.
Yes.
If, for example, any of my viewers would like to, for example, convert their classic electric vehicle, absolutely, they can come find you.
Please get in touch. Please do.
Absolutely. So, thank you very much, Callum, from RetroElectric.